Brad Williams, XL Primed. We're going to look at an or as opposed to an and. What do I mean? Find golfers based on multiple ratings, either a 3 or a 9. Okay? How do we distinguish one from the other? You remember in the past we used the multiplication or the asterisk? Well, here we're going to go plus. Show me 3 or 9. We don't care. Here we have ratings. If you're 9, show me. If you're 3, show me. Here's the deal. What if we put a multiplication sign in here? What do you think is going to happen? Because we're trying to capture 9 and 3 in a single column. How can we get both? Well, we can't. Unless Jim and Jim here, we just can't do it. Why? Well, here's the end result. We get no results for obvious reasons. If we said ratings and golf score, then we'd get a result. But when we have multiple ratings, we can't do that. That's why we use this or. The plus sign indicates or. Other than that, we're going to state D5, D10, which is what? Our array, which is this entire list. We have our include, which is D5 to D14 equals C2, D5 to D14 equals C3. We can do that because we have this plus sign. And then if nothing matches, we get no results. In the anatomy, I've covered this. We have the include, we have the if empty. And then on your right, it's what I just translated. So go ahead and you can read this up on that if you need to. Here, we're just going to look at the include. And it's just going to give us the ones and the zeros. Down here, you see this? The ones and the zeros. I'm going to show you the final output. But now all we need to do is highlight here, and it's going to give us a whole bunch of trues and false. Well, I'll just show you. Okay, D5 to D14, F9. Sometimes you're just going to have to play around and see what the heartbeat of Excel and what it's saying. F9, and here, false, 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 true. Okay, go down, and what are we looking for? D5 to D14. Look here. We have false, 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 true. And we said it has to equal 3 in this first argument. So we're looking for 3s. Where's the first 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go down, and you see any more 3s? No. Then go over here. D5 is equal to D14 is equal to C3, which is anything that equals 9. F9, every 9. So there's 2 9s. So in the end, it's going to be 2 9s and 1 3. Filter is just going to go in and show me the truths. We go in here and we hit array. If we hit this array, and it's just going to show this whole thing here. That's not what we want. Let's see if we just capture all of this. You kind of have to be careful here. Literally, sometimes you have to include the parenthesis, sometimes not. F9, and you're going to get this error. It's the array, the include, F9. See, there's the final outcome. But what I'm trying to do is, you see this filter B5, D5, we have this ones and zeros, plus ones and 0. Then here's the final outcome, and here's the result. Hit F9 if you need to, and you're going to see the first result's going to show up here. For the first outcome right here, that's why it changes. I'm not going to spill it down. As an example. And then if you need to map this thing, what's here in the formula bar, B5 is your array. I'm just going over this. Boolean, or I use discrete, no result. So here it is. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thank you.